You know something? You will snap me. You will snap me this thing.
No, I mean the people behind. The people behind should shift for now. Okay. Mojo sile nkuita.
Uncle.
Uncle.
No, cannot look. Yeah, a different picture. Me like the cacao you this one.
Uncle. No, yak. No. Bichero, to ni bemme. Okay, let's see. So, good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to this Fungon Farm broadcast where we've just come back from a successful python hunt. You can see the loot down there. So, Pa, would I catch this mean now, Okay, for down here. Okay, so this is we're in the Mecca village here, and where you sit down there, coming down there, is where the python was caught in the forest down there, the jungles down there. So we've got a very huge and mammoth animal here. Okay, when you're going down to small Mecca here in the Fungon subdivision. So that is what the fathers have got. Yeah, when people put our back move, go for compound. Whoa. Well, the python took on a wire just at the farm. We've circled the farm with wires to keep animals out. And there it took on the wire today. It struggled all by itself before giving up. We're thinking we'll go there and do a live stream so you see how we getting out of the wire, but the wire it struggled and finally gave up. So that is the python in the back there that's carried. We'll try to go up to the compound and exhibit it. I'm for them never cool show but I TV got ginger.
I think that's that I call people to come and beg. So everyone who come around, they lead out, also have a part. According to the so anyone who comes to hear the song, he needs something to go and chew. So the hunter to feel for the white to fly it off.
Wow. Bring our light more. Bring our light more. Turn her down, or do I? Book a show to and I'm cool when you have we made them bring leaf. We made them bring leaf there.
Okay. You know, I could go.
You like and share for others to see this. Maybe some people have not seen it before. We're sorry about the very graphic images. It's a python hunted down in the Mecca village today, one of the jungles around here. We're bringing leaves. Have to put it down on leaves for exhibition. The sacking is not going to take place today. The sacking is going to take place maybe later in the day. Today is 2nd of October. In the Metcalfe people have a tradition or a culture and a custom. On 2nd days of the month, they have their monthly jangis or trips which they attend. So we'll just display this and then. Hello Vera, hello, welcome. How are you doing today? The way you put the leaf there now. You give a straight and I mean straight. Yeah, we cut this down in the jungles here. Well, it actually took on a wire. And before us getting there, it had already given up. So, yeah, our mission was kind of successful though. So if you did how many meters? 3 meters.
3 meters and something. 3 and something. Yeah, 1 meter. 1 meter. It's 2 meter. It's 3 meters and something. 3 meters and a quarter. Even local came on without the agriculture probably. Local came on, I think look at them now. Then I mean, you know, I came who came out of the middle of the house. No. 3 meters and a half. And you can see. 3 meters and a half. When it is caught, the snake can have to be cut because it is poison, it's dangerous. We will cut it and through. That's why the measuring line is 3 meters and a half. Themselves they will see.
Okay, that was our catch. Yeah, we caught it. We just bringing it up from the forest. Python. But ça peut te tuer, non? You can kill.
Phụ chú mình nhà xe cũng cái phụ chú bắc bên sẽ cả phụ cái chỉ là sai mà cái mình
Bây giờ vẫn là đi phải là nhiều sao vẫn nhiều vẫn làm gì nó mồ mình làm cà phê mắm bò mồ mình làm cà phê cái cà phê cái cái nồng mắm nồng băng băng cái view nồng bao cái gì cái mấy cái cà phê cái này mà phun bờ bông này cái gì vậy.
Okay. Well, we thank you, those who have been watching. It's just a python we got from the forest today. Why you never feel that your life will disturb you?
I walk now say so
Alright, so thank you for those who have been watching. Those who watch later, it was a python. Got it in the Mecca village in the jungles here. Thank you. Bye bye.